the Lottie Dottie chicken. If you're watching this video, Joe, turn on subtitles and put it on Portuguese translation. And Lottie Dottie chicken, I'm sorry for using one of your musics in my videos. It's because that I made a new series called Benzie Studios Kids, which is a alright, but I forgot my line, so it's literally the kids version of Benzie Studios, the developer of Adventures in Benzie and I need to apologize for using this because I'm lazy to do the soundtrack because I do not know how to compose music and these pianists are too fast. So I'm so sorry for using this. I'm a big fan of your cartoons and your mini versions. So please, if I'm using one of your soundtracks, do not copyright me again because I might get terminated again. Please, if you do this, I'm gonna terminate you, okay? Okay? Benzie's out.